Good morning. In the last class, we have studied the types of houses and the facilities in a house, that also we have seen. And in this class, we will be learning about the clothes. It's very important. How much the house is important, home is important. That is, clothes are also very important. In the olden days, how the people used to wear, they used to cover their body with the leaves and the skin of animals. But in this modern days, we are covering our body with the clothes. Isn't it? How the days have passed and people have discovered the sources, how the material from where we are getting this fibers and fabrics. That is fiber to fabric. Fiber means, you can see, these are the small thread-like structure. You can see these are the fibers. You can see even the cottons is also the straight-line structure. You can see these are all called fibers. So why do we wear clothes? Because it protects us from heat, cold and rain. This three things. And also it protects us from the insects bite and the dust. When we go out, more and more dust will be falling on the body. How these clothes, it protects our body from all these things. So that is why we need to wear the clothes. Then fiber to fiber is what? Are the Fibers are long, thin strands which are spun into threads. These are the fibers. Then it is spun into thread like this. And these threads are woven into fabrics, and fabrics are made into clothes where we stitch our dress and wear it. So these are from here. You can see the here you can see this is the factory, textile industry. Can you see many reels are there, and where the cotton threads are being rolled. Clothes are made from different kinds of fabrics, and the fabric is made of different kinds of fibers. Fibers are long, thin strands which are spun into threads. The threads are woven into fabric. Then the fabric is stitched to make different kinds of clothes. But where do these fibers come from? From where do these fibers come from? These come from the two sources. There are two sources. There are different types of sources are there. We get it. So these fibers come from natural sources and artificial sources. There are two types of fibers. They are natural sources, natural fibers and artificial fibers. How many types of fibers are there? There are two types of fibers are there. They are natural fibers and artificial fibers. Let us learn about the natural fibers. What are those natural fibers? Natural fibers which are obtained from plants and animals. They are called natural fibers. What are natural fibers? Natural fibers are obtained from the plants and animals. They are called natural fibers. What are they? One is, we get cotton from the cotton plant, and linen from the flax plant, jute from the jute plant, and coil. Coil, we get it from the coconut shell. Isn't it? They will be beaten and separating to make many things. So let us learn about the cotton. We wear cotton dress. Isn't it? Loose, comfortable. It is comfortable in all the seasons, mostly in the summer season. it is loose cotton clothes are very comfortable. And linen also is one which is soaked into water for a long time and then separated. So they make clothes, and good quality of paper is also made. And jute is also one which can be made, robes and bags and clothes also can be made from the jute. And coir is also one, robes can be made from the coir. Means doormats, carpets are made from the coir. Now let us learn about that. What are this? Now you will find the cotton balls have thin fibers. First we will see, this is the cotton ball I have in my hand. So you can see this, these are the cotton fibers. These are all cotton fibers. The very thin thread like structure, these are all called lint. These fibers, cotton balls have thin fibers. It is called lint. It is called lint. The fiber is spun into yarn. Means there will be, you might have seen the Gandhiji's charkha also, how they used to spin. So that is called a yarn. So you can see, you can pull, just do like this. It will be keep on rolling, and you can pull the thread. You will find the cotton threads, how it is woven into this. You can pull, you can make a thread like this and pull like this. You can just pull like this, turn it and pull it. So you will find these cotton threads are uneven because it comes from the plants. How to make out that cotton threads will be uneven. Can you see this? I made one small threads. You have to just turn it, spin it and pull it. So you will get the cotton like this, which can be used for puja purpose and all this thing. This is the cotton in my hand, from where we get it, from the cotton plant. And I have another one, the silk cloth, which we get it from the silkworm, which will get it from the silkworm. And wool also we get it from the sheep. So these are the examples of natural fibers. Linen fibers are produced from stem of flax plant. As I told you, linen is produced from the stem of flax plant. The stems are allowed to rot. Stems are allowed to rot, and then they are beaten to separate the fibers. The fibers are used to make ropes and paper of good quality, as I told you. Then jute. Jute fibers are obtained from the jute plant. The stems of these plants are immersed in water for few days. The fibers are separated and spun into threads, robes, jute clothes, jute bags. You can see the examples of used to make sacks, handbags, and saris and rugs are made here. You can see. You can see the cotton shirt and linen dress, jute bag, and coir mat, doormats and all can be made. Coir is produced from the shell of a coconut. Coir is used to make ropes, doormats, brushes, and some decorative items. So these are the natural fibers, and these are the uses of these fibers that we have seen. Now silk. From where do we get the silk? We get silk from the silkworm. This we'll study in our next class. Thank you.